If you're not already bullish on crypto, then by the end of this video, you will be. 2024 and 2025 are shaping up to be exceptional years for the cryptocurrency industry. And in this video, I'm going to give you 10 reasons why I think that is so. Now, some of you out there might have already sold all of your crypto bags. Some of you might be waiting on the sideline for an opportunity to get into the market. Well, friends, I've got news for you. Right now might be the single greatest time to get into the market during this bear cycle. Before we begin though, please let me remind everybody out there that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This video is for pure speculation and entertainment purposes only. First up, we've got Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs. Now, I'm sure you've already heard about all of the different companies like BlackRock and ARK Invest and Fidelity that have filed for these ETFs, but you might not grasp the magnitude of what this could do to the market if one of these were to be approved. Just take a look at this gold chart and see what happened to the price of gold after its first spot ETF was approved. Not only that, the fact that Ethereum is also getting its own applications for a spot ETF is tremendous. As far as I'm concerned, Ethereum is just as important as Bitcoin is for the entire cryptocurrency industry. This will get our foot into the door to retail investors that have no other means of getting into the market. What do you think that's going to do to the price when millions of people who haven't had a way to get into crypto now have that opportunity? Next up, we've got tokenization of assets. Now, this could be crude oil, barrels of oil, deeds to houses, collectibles, you name it. Any one of these types of assets can be verified on chain. And now, just today, we have a bunch of big names in the industry that are coming together to make that happen. Aave, Circle, Base, all working together to make sure that tokenized assets can be brought on chain. This is a very big deal, and I can't stress this one enough. Number 3, the big names in finance and technology are now breaking into the cryptocurrency sector in a very big way. I'm talking BlackRock, I'm talking Fidelity, I'm talking ARK Invest, I'm talking PayPal, I'm talking MicroStrategy, and the list just goes on and on. If they believed that the market was going to continue its downtrend, do you think that they would be getting into the market right now? I don't think so. And the data proves otherwise. Number 4, Google and Apple, two of the largest technological companies in the world, are finding ways to break into the niche department of crypto. By partnering with some of the largest cryptocurrency projects out there like Avalanche and Polygon, they're slowly inching their way to diving in. Number 5, scaling solutions within crypto are about to completely disrupt traditional finance in the DeFi sector. Polygon is a great example of this with their zero-knowledge proofs rollups that they're about to roll out in their entire rebrand from Matic to Pol. I recently made a video about this that you can go and watch that offers a lot more extensive research into this one specific thing. Number 6, the legal system seems to be on the side of crypto and technology. The wins against the SEC continue to pile up as Grayscale and XRP have both won now against the SEC in their frivolous lawsuits. This not only shows the grit and tenacity of crypto itself, but it also shows that crypto is here to stay. Number 7, Elon Musk is a huge proponent for crypto. He's been very outspoken about Dogecoin and Bitcoin specifically. His companies have previously purchased Bitcoin, and now his new company, XApp, previously Twitter, has acquired a license for transmittal of currencies. This type of license also includes cryptocurrencies. Now, why do you think he would be doing that unless he saw a future where cryptocurrencies are going to be a lot bigger than they are today? Number 8, just this week we got massive news that Visa has partnered with the Solana blockchain to power USDC transmissions across its platforms. This isn't the first of these type of partnerships, but it's definitely a big one. The easier we can get people into crypto, the larger it's going to become. And this is just another one of those partnerships that is going to accomplish just that. I still have my reservations about the Solana blockchain itself, but at the end of the day, I think it's still a move in the right direction for the entire cryptocurrency industry. Number 9. The very first smartphone to have ETHOS on it was just introduced this week. The only people that were allowed to have reservations on the phones themselves were those that owned NFTs from the project itself. Those NFTs are now valued at over $5,000 a piece, and the phones themselves sold out within minutes. Tell me that's not a good sign for innovation. And my last reason for being bullish on crypto right now is something that is easier to show off than to tell. So I'm going to show a video that was just shared on Twitter yesterday.
Welcome everybody. Avalanche House Seoul, one of the best events in Korea Blockchain Week. And over here you see a gaming station. And you're probably thinking to yourself, come on. You see this? You see this right here? Well, Avalanche, that's a Web3 company. It's Counter-Strike. Counter-Strike's not a Web3 game. Shut up. Blitz app. From one of the biggest companies in the world, TSM, that's not true, but they're big, have this Web3 integration with one of the biggest games of all time in the history of mankind, Counter-Strike. You see, I can go and do tournaments through this and win prizes with Web3 tokens powered by, wait for it, Avalanche. The people themselves. So come on, let's start gaming.
So as you can see, the gaming industry and Web3 are finally merging. Now, we're not quite where we want to be yet in the gaming sector, but in a couple of years, that could drastically change. And I think that gaming is one of those sectors that is going to drastically improve with the implementation of Web3 technology. So let me know in the comments section what you think about these 10 reasons of why I'm so bullish on crypto. Do you agree? If so, hit that like button. If you disagree, hit that dislike button. That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Crypto Clay, out.